Hello friends, I am Murthy Pelluri. I am having more than 10 years of stock market trading experience. Already for the past 5 years, I have given technical training for so many people. I have kept some calculators for the trading purpose regarding GOM theory in YouTube. So many people have taken that calculators and using for their day-to-day trading, and majority of the people are asking me, why don't you give online training for the on technical course. Now I have started technical training on online for the people. Here I have given my contact details, 2 phone numbers, and the technical training, that is 2 parts. It is only one day. From morning 10 a.m. it will start, 10 to 1 o'clock, and 1 to 2 lunch, and 2 to 5 to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. maximum 6 to 7 hours. And the people who wanted to have the training, they should have mic, headphones, and they should have the internet connection. And I made it two sessions. One is for the basic training for the beginners who are not having very much experience and who wanted to trade in share market. If they doesn't know anything about the share market, that is for the basic training for the beginners. That is, these are the topics I am going to explain or teach them in my training program. Basics on share market and products, what the products are there in the share market, and what are the candlestick, how it will forms, and what are the types of candlesticks, and how we are going to use those candlesticks and types of candlesticks. And then one of the important topic in share market is pivot points. It is very important to know where we have to buy, where we have to sell. I will give all the values with mathematical formulas, everything with mathematical formula, and how we are going to find the trend. What is the trend means, whether if you take any of the share, it is going upside or it is going downside or it is in the sideways. How we will find out? To find out that, we need some trend lines, that how to draw the trend lines and all. And for the intraday, there are two types of trading is there. One is for intraday trading, and second one is for the positional trading. And majority of the people are interested to do only intraday trading. I will explain in my training program. And in that intraday, we should have the graphs, charts for the shares what we are going to deal. And I am going to explain the time frames and Fibonacci retracements. What are the Fibonacci retracements, how those retracements are useful in our day-to-day trading, and the moving averages to find a trend, different types of moving averages, how we are going to use it, and what the parameters we are going to take, and some important 6 indicators to find a trend. So this is about the basic training for the beginners. This is exclusively for the beginners. I will take one day class from morning 10 to evening 5 to 6 p.m. And second is in-depth training for the experienced who are having more than 2.5 years experience. For them, I am going to give the basics of again candlestick formation, not on products and all, and pivot points. In pivot points, we can get anywhere, but in that we can get the buy and sell values. Those formulas I will give, and valid trend lines, and calculation of intraday time frames, and the candle formations. And I am going to discuss more on GOM theory, which is very important. All over the world are following GOM theory, and each and every share must follow the GOM theory. That is GOM retracements, extensions, and GOM 100% target projections, and using the moving averages, 10 important indicators, and mostly on WD GOM theory, calculations approximately the targets and projected date, which date it may reach that particular price, and what is the price, and time cycle calculations as per GOM theory. These are the topics I am going to give in depth for the experienced people. This left side is for the beginners. The timing I have mentioned here. In the description, I am going to give my fee and all details. You can go to the description and you can check it. And who are interested, you can contact me. and most probably I'm going to conduct weekend Saturday for the beginners and Sunday for the experienced people. In the meanwhile, if I get some of the candidates, I may conduct in weekdays in between also. So who are interested, please call me and please inform me. So this is about my contact numbers, and here I am going to keep the blog also. In my blog is there. In my blog, I am going to this is murthipelluri.wordpress.com. In this I am going to give the dates also, training dates and all. And if you want to see, just if you type that is in YouTube Murthy Pelluri, you can find my calculators. These are the calculators what I have designed, and you can find these calculators. And this is about the second calculator of my Gone Look Future with dates and all, reversal dates and all, we can find it. And one more calculator is also there, and you can go through this Murthy Pelluri WordPress.com, and you can check the videos also. And if you are interested, please contact me. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.